crane is clear on the east side.
We need to ensure the crystal fixture mounting aligns precisely with the gold panel seams.
I've noted the tolerance requirements for the interface alignment here.
The water jets slice through the Calacatta marble with surgical precision, carving the intricate channels for the gold inlay.
Sun sets over the facility. The day's work concludes, maintaining the standard of European precision engineering.
Is perfect. Check the power draw on Unit 3.
Remarkable. Yes, logging it now. Lowering now. Watch your corners.
Clear on this side, a little to the left.
Set it down easy. We are aligned.
Aziza,
How is the alignment here?
a little to the right. That's it. A little lower on your side, gently. Perfect. It's seated.
Bolt tightening now. Reading steady at 500 Newton meters. Electrical looks good.
The main bolts is good.
Cables connected. Ready for power up. With the flick of a switch, the crystals catch the light, turning this functional space into an opulent palace.
Cabin is clear of the bay, moving towards the tower.
Confirmed. Trajectory looks good. Keep it steady.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
It is magnificent, isn't it?
Truly a masterpiece of engineering.
Verified on the tablet, we are secured.
The gold?
I know. We need to center this support beam before we wrap the exterior.
Okay, keep that swing steady. We're guiding it in now. Lower gently.
Going down for dinner.
It smells wonderful already.
I'm starving.
I pressed the 7th floor.
Checklist item 12, breakware sensors. Confirmed.
The orbit completes at the starting position, front view of the gold elevator doors. Full rotation complete, the elevator confirmed in its permanent home.
The subtle motion adds dynamic life to the fixture. Light catches the facets at changing angles, creating a living beauty during the functional journey.
The final documentation of the $10 million gold elevator, now complete and sealed, waiting for its next summons.
The chandelier sparkles as brilliantly as when first installed. Maintenance preserving its beauty, the commitment to after you.
It's as stunning as I remember.
Here in the European facility,
The cycle continues. Another client's vision takes shape.
The cycle of creation continues as liquid gold transforms into future luxury.
A symphony of engineering dedicated to creating the world's most luxurious transport solutions.